Hello. So in this short video, I will show you how to refill the toner cartridge of this Kyocera printer. So the first thing I'll do is to open the cartridge door area, and then I'm going to pull this tab backward, and then I'll remove the cartridges one by one. So this is the cartridge. So basically, to be able to refill this particular cartridge, what you have to do is to open this particular end, and to open the end you have to screw open the tab first, so that you'll be able to free up for you to be able to open it. So this is the top cover. I have taken it out. The next thing I'm going to do is to carefully remove this cover. Now you have to be careful when doing this because the toner can spill everywhere. So if possible, I advise you to do it outside of your office if you're doing it from an office, so that it doesn't spill on the floor. Now this is a toner. I'm going to shake it 5 to 7 times or more than that. The reason is because the toner most likely is clogged inside, and I don't want that, because when I'm filling it inside, it will come out in lumps and it will spill on the floor. So I'm going to shake it thoroughly to loosen it up before I'll fill it inside. So today, to be able to fill it inside, I don't have the funnel here right now, so I'm going to improvise by making use of a paper for this. So I'm going to be using a paper and improvise it in the shape of a funnel for this particular video. So this is my paper. You can see it is in the shape of a funnel. But if you have a funnel that fits into this particular opening, you can use a funnel instead. It's better. But if you don't have a funnel, you can just do it my way, improvise. So I've been able to fill it in, and then everything is fine, although I have small spillover on the floor. So let's fill up the cyan, and with this I think you can be able to get a closer shot of how I did it. So remove this particular top cover. Okay, you can see the top cover is open right now. So just like I did before, I'm going to be using my own improvised funnel for this. First, I need to shake my toner 5 to 7 times, if possible as much as you can, so that to loosen up the clogged toner inside. Then I'm going to improvise with my paper to the shape of a funnel. So like I said earlier, if I have a funnel, it's better, but if there's no funnel close by, you can just use a paper and improvise it in the shape of a funnel, so that your toner doesn't spill on the floor while pouring it inside. If you try to do it directly, it might pour inside, on the floor rather. So in case you haven't done already, like and subscribe to the channel. I have great videos on how to fix all kinds of office equipment, laptops, printers, computers, PABS, CCTV, security door system, and all kinds of office equipment. So I will just carefully open this, and then I'll pour it inside. Then I'll just close it normally, and then that is just basically how to fill it up. So the particular model I'm using right now is Kyocera M6530 CDN printer. This can work for basically any Kyocera printer that needs that the cartridges that uses similar cartridge with this. So I'll just carefully pour it inside. You have to pour it gradually, don't pour all at once, if not it's going to spill on the floor. You have to pour it gradually inside and shake the paper. Okay, so I'm through with this. I will just cover it up and then clean it with my rag. cover it up carefully, then I'll clean it with my rag. And when you're refilling this, remember you don't have to fill it to the brim. The reason is because if you fill it to the brim, it may likely spill inside your printer and then mess up the inner part of your printer. So once you put this cover, you have to return this tab back the way it is when you put in this inside your printer. So make sure your tab, you return it back. Remember, when you want to open it, you have to carefully pull out the tab for it to sit in carefully. If not, it won't fit in inside. So I've finished refilling them. I'm going to place my cartridge back and I'll return the tab. Remember to return all the tabs. If you do not return the tab, the printer will tell you that that particular cartridge that you didn't return the tab for is missing. So that is why after filling it in, you have to return the tab. Alright, so I've been able to fill this and I've returned the tab. So I'm going to cover the printer right now and then make a copy. Right, so I'll just make a test print just to be sure that all the colors are complete on the printout, just to be sure that no color is missing. So it's fine now. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.